Welcome to Andrew's baking vlog.
So I've been making this post for like only one time. I promised that I'll make it every a week or so, but I forgot this even existed. But it's okay. We're back. Right now I'm with.
Gita.
She's my classmate, and what are we gonna bake today?
So we're gonna bake cinnamon rolls.
Yes, we're gonna bake cinnamon rolls. See you guys in the kitchen.
So here's the recipe and everything you need has written in it. Took a screenshot or whatever you want, and let's start baking.
Keliputan.
Damn. Punch it.
Wow!
Amazing feeling, right?
Yeah!
Ground cinnamon. Awesome. Di atas ibu kuning tuh ada alat kayak Oke, gua tunjukin ini. Nice.
So we already finished baking, and here's the result. And now we're gonna taste it. Ooh. Okay. It's good. The cinnamon rolls really taste good, and also the bread is soft. So I rate it 9.5 out of 10.
So that's it, guys. That's basically it. That's the end of the reel. So I won't promise where the next episode is and what recipe am I gonna try, but well, Gita, what do you think?
I like this kind of vlog. It's really fun.
and it's so random you won't even know when I will upload next. See you guys next time. Yes. Yes.